Hey guys, so this is just a super quick video on me, the process of me installing my Sisterlocs. I did end up combing out my big locks that I had in my hair for about 8 months. I just wasn't feeling those locks, and I kept looking at Sisterlocs, and I'm like, I want that fullness, and I want that almost like my hair is loose, but it's not look. So this is my hair when it's wet. Then this is my hair when I blow dried it. And now this video doesn't actually show me twisting my Sisterlocs because I literally just did twist in it. I did part as much as I could. I didn't measure my head like some people do. However, I did use a ruler for each parting to make sure I at least got the boxes semi the same size. So this next clip is where my hair is sectioned into 4. This I didn't really use a ruler for. I just tried my best to part it down the middle. I know that your grid is really important as a base, and it did take me some time to set up some parts here. The parting altogether took me 3 hours. I did have a little bit of help, but not a lot, from my boyfriend because he doesn't really know how to part. And then this is where I sectioned it further. So the back is into 3 sections now, and the front side of my hair is into 4. So this is just me just showing you. This is where I went in and used a ruler to make sure I was parting the space that I had evenly. So I just measured a 6-inch paper ruler that I printed out. I just measured each part to make sure that I was splitting the squares in half as much as I could. And then this is where I broke it down even further. I did try to measure these as well and make sure that they were like all the lines matched up. And after this, I just started installing my locks. I just took one part out at a time and installed them. And this is the finished product. This is when I just finished. It took me 3 days. I started on Saturday and finished on Monday. Yeah, Monday late at night I finished. And this is what it looks like, freshly done. And this is what it looked like after I showered. I did not put a shower cap on. The ends curled up and they look so cute. Some of my locks even fluffed up even more. So instead of it looking super skinny like it did before, now the twist has even more volume to it. So I'm really excited that I did switch. I'm excited to see how they shrink up when I actually wash it. But yes, such a full look that I have here. Thank you for watching. Bye.